Welcome everybody to the live video today. Today is the day that everybody update on their transcript. Let me know in the comments, you guys. Let me know if you update. I see Shannon. Go here and put his on here. Shannon said, hey, only thing that updated was as update went from April the 1st to April the 15th. Yes, it does change. The as update, if they don't finish processing it by the date that they had on the last transcript, then they definitely will change it to another date to finish processing. Anybody else? Hi, True Blossom. Make sure you drop those comments in, you guys. Don't forget, while I'm waiting on more comments and questions, you guys, and more people to attend the live video, that the last day to file taxes, if you haven't already filed them, you guys, if you're watching and you're new to me and you haven't already filed, the last day is April the 15th. Make sure you get it in. If you owe the IRS is saying on their website to still file and pay some of it so that you won't have to owe a lot of interest. In case those of you who are watching or watch the replay of this video haven't filed, the IRS is encouraging those to file, people to file anyway if you owe the IRS. Don't forget also, you guys, that I offer for those who needing help who owe a lot of money during tax season, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in taxes. I have tax specialists with me that are partnered with me, you guys, that can help. So you can definitely book appointments with that as well, okay? All right, Nature Boy, last week. Welcome, Nature Boy, again. Last week, my amended updated to 290 code, and today, this week, 05, I got 290 again. So it, your ass update still didn't change. It's the date on there. Didn't change, Nature Boy. It says the IRS, this is what it means when you get a 290. It says the IRS has reviewed your tax return and reached a determination. It's no longer on hold as a result of this. They said this one reason why seeing this code on your transcript can be beneficial. This is the IRS, okay? So hopefully, yeah, to the 15th, April 15th. So hopefully it will update for you soon. They said this with that code is beneficial, that the decision has been made. So hopefully everything will be updated for you to see it on your end, okay? But you said it's been like that ever since. Going in and out of the screen. Yeah, so they reached a determination with your amended refund. So hopefully, Nature Boy, that you will be seeing more about it, okay? With that amended refund. They say it's a good thing to see that, okay? So hopefully when it updates, just let me know, okay? Reflect it so you can see it on your end, okay? Hi, my transcript updated today, and I did my taxes on January the 30th. So did it update to a refund? Ashima Brown, I'm hoping I'm saying it right. Shima Brown, you know, did it update to that code that you the refund? Also, let me say this while I'm on here, because I have comments or people are saying about me talking about the congressman. I'm gonna share this for those of you who are commenting. I share information on my channel to help those who are stuck in review, who are stuck on hold, who may have freezes. So I give you information based on that to contact the IRS, to contact a taxpayer advocate. And if you have done all you could do on your end, if you verified identity and did everything that you feel that you could do, and the tax season is going to come to the end, and some of you, it's gonna be at the end, and you may not receive your refund. That's why I'm sharing about the congressman. Somebody come in and say, why do you have to go to the congressman? It's a choice. It's a choice. If you feel like that you don't need to go to a congressman, you don't have to go to a congressman. It's your choice and whatever you decide. However, I give that information on my channel to help people who may need that help and feel like they did all they can do when they feel like they can't do anything else. The congressmen are there for any federal agency. It has been that way for years, you guys, regarding it. And it's not just with the IRS, it's other agencies. When people needed help with during the pandemic with the PPP loans or with the SBA loans, and they had put in all the information and they weren't approving other things with federal agencies, they asked their congressmen to step in on their behalf, and they did. So it's with any federal agency, you guys, that congressman can help with the office. So for people coming and saying, why do you have to go there? You don't have to go there. That's a choice, but they will help you and step in if you complete that online form. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Hi, Elizabeth. Spoke with IRS, have to wait another 2 weeks. Said can take up to 10 weeks, right, to process. And if I don't hear from them by April the 16th to call back, a lot of people getting that. Nothing wrong with my refund, just have to wait. Right, Elizabeth. Yeah, just have to wait and be patient. Right. A lot of people are hearing that about the 10 weeks. Some people have received that CPO5 letter that I did the video on, and I shared with you guys on my channel. And they're saying up to 10 weeks or 60 days. So yeah, and that you just have to wait. Okay, if you already know regarding that, but it's some people on my channel, they haven't received their refund for 2021 or 2022. So you're asking me, why do they have to reach out to a congressman? They have been waiting since 2021 and 2022. What you want them to do? Do nothing? So that's why I share information on my channel to help people. I usually share this information after tax season. I'm giving people a heads up what to do if by April the 15th you don't see any change. Okay? Okay, you still on the first bar since February the 6th. Hopefully a little bit like you. Hopefully after that time passes that the IRS is telling you, that it will update for you. Okay. Thank you for watching and commenting. I verified 2023. Right. When did you verify, Nature Boy? You still within them 9 weeks after verifying? Because we know it takes up to 9 weeks. And I know you've been on the videos to see it take after 9 weeks. So it takes up to 9 weeks whenever after you verify. They'll tell you 2 to 3 weeks to check back, but it takes up to 9 weeks to finish the process. And so that's the reason why with that verification for 2023. But yeah, at least stay moving forward with that amended return that you refund that you've been waiting on. Nature Boy. That's good. Congratulations. April the 3rd. Yes, the transcript say refund will be issued on April the 3rd. That is so good. I'm happy for you, Ashima. That's great. You're welcome, Elizabeth. Any more questions and comments? I share information to help you guys. And it's happening. I'm in a taxpayer, a tax preparer group on Facebook, and it's a lot of tax preparers are saying that they're having the same issues with their clients getting the CPO5 letters, getting the hold and the reviews. For those of you who are commenting, why are this happening to one particular group of people? I don't know why you're commenting that, because it's happening to different taxpayers in different tax offices. It's not just my tax offices. On here, I have a few clients that come in. Most of them that come in are not my clients. They are TurboTax. They are different ones. The ones that file through Cash App, Tax Act, Free File. So that is happening to different people Okay, you guys, so I'm just letting you guys know for those who be posting certain things, okay? I will be giving a video on my other channel. It's supposed to be today, but I went ahead since I had a lot of questions and comments, and I said I'm just gonna go live on this channel because I've been getting a lot of comments on my channel and questions. But I supposed to have did today. I was gonna do a live video on my channel. This is the channel by IRS Tax Services, my smaller channel, and I was gonna do one about the review letters. For those of you who haven't already subscribed to that channel and you need help with review letters, I'm gonna go over some of the review letters on there, and it's gonna be regarding review letters on that channel. I'm gonna put that to Tuesday. I'm gonna put that to Tuesday, you guys. I'm gonna make sure I move that review letters on Tuesday because a lot of people are gonna have questions tomorrow regarding the WMR2. So if you haven't already subscribed to that channel, make sure you do. We up to now 65 subscribers. If you want to join regarding that, and I can answer some questions regarding review letters on that because a lot of people don't understand it and don't know what to do. So I'm just letting you guys know. If you haven't already, you guys, if you haven't already joined in for the refund giveaway on April the 15th, that $50 gift card, make sure you put hashtag refund. If you haven't already, a good many people have already entered that drawing. You can put it in the chat, or you can put, if you watching the replay, hashtag refund, and you'll be entered in that drawing. Now you got to make sure you live within the United States. Hi Dallas, welcome back. No transcripts updated today. I did get a letter from my state senator yesterday. That's good. And they are working on my behalf. That's good. They told me they'll assign my case to a tax advocate. Right. So that is so good, Dallas. I'm glad that you get movement. And a lot of people question why do they have to do it? Why can't they do it on their own? You know, the IRS are handling millions of tax returns, and they go up every year. Time they get it down, they go up back to over millions. So they have a lot to handle. And sometimes if you are seeing no movement on your tax refund, it's best to reach out if you want to. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what you can do to help yourself, okay? For those of you who are watching, to let you know that if you need to. Now, if you are waiting and you talk to the IRS and they told you to wait to 10 weeks, or they 60 days, or you receive a letter, then you need to wait that long. But if you nothing, he had nothing on his transcript, no letter, no nothing. So if he was stuck like that. So if you have nothing changed, no code change, transcript not showing anything, not applicable, that's when you reach out, you guys. So that's why I'm sharing to help you. I don't know why people feel like they get upset saying, well, why I have to do that? You don't have to do that. That's your choice to do it. If you choose to not do anything and just be patient and wait, then that's your choice. It's whatever you want to do. I'm just telling you and sharing you things that may could possibly help you move it further, so that, you know, you done did all you could do on your end. And so now he contacted his senator and they reached back and they're talking to a taxpayer advocate. Which, yeah, you can reach out to a taxpayer advocate yourself. And some people have been successful with that taxpayer advocate. And some people, if you read my comments under my live videos, they're not been successful with their taxpayer advocate they reached out to. They have not been able to book appointments in those taxpayer centers. Some can't even verify on the phone identity or verify online. And I have to, you know, I tell them the only thing I know to do, if you can't verify online and you can't verify by phone, then you're going to have to walk in there. But if that person decides that I don't want to walk in there, then you can do what you want to do. My channel is to help people regarding their tax refunds and also my tax clients because I am a tax preparer, you guys. So I share information that will help you as well, because I have experience on it. If you have any more questions and comments, you can put it in the video, in the chat box, or even after this video. If you feel like that you want to wait till after the video goes off, then you can. Okay. I had YouTube open. Can y'all hear me clearly? I hope there's no echo in the video. Can everybody hear me clearly and there's no echo? Because sometimes when I have that tab open, it echoes. Okay, I'm going to go into, I be having comments on my phone under my channel and my other videos. I think I had it when I first went live. Thank you, Elizabeth, for letting me know. Sometimes it has an echo in it. Did anybody else get a due date? Did anybody else transcript update today? Somebody saying I be having a lot of comments, you guys. Is the 60-day wait after? Wait a minute, it jumped and I got more. Wow, hold on. Okay, somebody said, Drew, my transcript, I think he said updated, but no date. Should I worry? Just be patient, okay? Another person, this is a user. Waiting, have contacted the IRS and advocate can't help at this time. See, some people saying that the tax advocate cannot help at this time. My only hope now is congressmen or just wait like I did last year. About 6 months later, I got a refund for 2022. This is a joke. Okay, there's somebody else had to comment, and I'm reading it under other videos and comments that's on my channel, guys, that are not in the live videos. They're coming under the videos. Okay, somebody else said these businesses that don't turn in paperwork on time should be fined to the max. But unfortunately, they are not big fines at all. That's why they drag along like it's okay when the taxpayer has to wait. Sad situation. The government is screwed up beyond point of no return. Okay, there's another comment for somebody. I've been getting a lot of them. I got the code 806. What's this on my text transcript? I had looked up that because sometimes I can't remember all the codes, you guys. I be having the brain thing going on. So give me a minute. I have to go to the IRS site because sometimes it be different. You can still be putting in your comments, you guys. Because I make sure it reflects any credit the taxpayer is given for tax withheld. Okay. It says code 806 indicates that a refund has been applied to an outstanding debt as well. So, okay, check and see that some of you have an offset, and I always share that number to check and see. Some people said that they don't have a tax offset, but it be showing it on their transcript for some reason. So I'm gonna put this tax offset number straight from the IRS. Any more comments? Okay, Elizabeth. It's the processing date on the transcript. They usually have the 846 code up there when you get an issue, and they'll have the due date right beside it on your transcript. Good Dre. You should see a date in that 846 code because people have to see it. Mine has, hey Terry, mine has been stuck on 570. That's a hold and night, that review letter for a month. Got the CPO 5 notice, just sit and wait. Right. Yeah, that's just a waiting game. You just have to wait. And then somebody else said, I know somebody else had about the 60 days. Somebody said, does it take, when you get the CPO 5 letter, does it start after when you get it? It's whatever they say on the letter. You have to read the letter when you get the notices, you guys, and they tell you 60 days, whatever they have on the letter, go by what's on the letter. I don't know what they, have on your letter. So if they tell you 60 days, then they should give you all the information on your letter. If you don't understand your letter, contact the IRS, okay, regarding it. Okay, somebody has said, I called the IRS today and spoke to a live person. They put me on hold and looked at my refund and said it's just their system processing error, and he didn't see it on his end, but he did see that it will be finished processing by April the 8th. That's what's up. So that's good. This is Never More Seen. That's the name of the channel, okay? And somebody else said he replied and said, my tax transcript still says not applicable and no refund field. LOL. IRS is tripping, but what can you do? Sometimes you just got to use that patience, you guys. I get it. Anybody else with any questions? Then I have to go to Buy Grade Tax Services LLC channel, and then I'll be having a lot of questions and comments on that one. If you have any questions, you just coming in and comments, let me know. Okay? Let me know that you receive an update and did you receive a new due date. Or where you're watching from, you guys. These other people commenting under the other live videos while I'm live. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's the 570 code date. Okay. All right, the review code date. All right. The whole code, yeah. Anybody else with any questions, comments, or you can put hashtag refunds. Again, I will be going live on my other channel, you guys. On Tuesday to help with the review letters. I'm going to go step by step for those of you who want to attend that, but you have to be on the Buy Grade Tax Services LLC website for me to go everything with you. Okay, so make sure that you have your notifications on. Don't forget, you guys, I also have a series. So when you see me when you see this video load song, it's going to start April the 22nd. It's going to be a series on my channel. I know a lot of people be looking out for the tax refund updates, but me and my family will be sharing our life on this channel. My amazing life as a YouTuber. So April 22nd is going to be airing. So if you see a video drops that you are not used to with me just being live and talking to you guys face to face, you know why, because that series will be airing. Anybody else with any more questions or any more comments? I've seen a lot of people, you guys been getting on that poll, getting on the poll on my channel. It was pretty high yesterday, saying that they didn't have, last time with 90% of people who let me know that they hadn't received a refund and they hadn't received an update. So you guys, it's a lot of people. You're not alone in this. Understand that. A lot of people in the Facebook groups, a lot of people in the tax preparers group that I'm in are saying the same thing, that they haven't, their clients are having to wait the 60 days. And some people say they got 60 days and then they're already talking about another 60 days. It happened like that last tax season as well, you guys. For those of you who, right now I got 72 votes. I said, good morning. Did you receive a new update? Where's my refund? 88% on my channel of people with 72 votes. 72 people voted on this poll. 88% said no and no transcript update. And 13% said yes, they did. So you see, it's a lot of people. I'm telling y'all, the computer glitches and kicks some out, and it's in a death pile somewhere. We hear you, Terry. It's so many people, you know, the system be shutting down that people be going in steadily checking to see. I will be putting up a new poll probably tomorrow when the WMR updates, you guys, to see if anybody else received it. Look like very few today with the transcripts. I'm gonna go into groups today on Facebook and see that anybody update with their transcripts just to see is any change, because I'm noticing there's not too much movement, and that's why I share a lot of information. Since there's no movement with good many people to help them, I discuss about the congressman. Right, something happened. Right, and that's why I'm gonna be checking, Terry, to see in the Facebook group that anybody was happy about, you know, they got a due date. I'm not seeing too much of people commenting on my old live videos about due dates. They usually, if they're not in the chat, it usually be under my live videos saying, yay, I got my due date. And so far, I hadn't seen nobody but one person on this live video, and then actually none under my other videos. I just been studying, getting comments saying it's not updated. But if you haven't already updated on your transcripts yet, make sure you check throughout the day, you guys, to see. Check the WMR tomorrow. That's where's my refund. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, is where's my refund. Also, don't forget that you could update throughout the week if you have, you know, nothing is showing on your transcripts or nothing is changed and you have no hold codes or anything. Don't forget, you guys. Right. Good Friday. Happy Good Friday to you guys as well. Easter coming up Sunday. Right. But still, some people are seeing a few people are seeing it, Terry, the updates. So yeah. Let me see. She said she received a due date of April the 3rd. I always tell people it's, see how it's falling. Yeah, it's falling on a Wednesday. That's a Wednesday. I had said it every week. And somebody had commented yesterday and told me, you said the 20th and the 25th. And I was like, well, we passed that, the 20th. But I did do a live video on the 20th about that. And some people, what I shared about the 25th was that some people told me that they had their refund date on the 25th. So that's why you hear me saying that, because I can only go by what some of the people are sharing in the comments. Okay, you guys? But it's pretty much every 7 days. Yeah, because it was the 20th, the 27th, and now it's the 3rd. That's how I've been doing it. Unless it's a holiday, you guys, it changes. And that Monday, the April Fool Day. So it's the 3rd. That's the new due date. April the 3rd, just like somebody shared that they got their update on their transcript. Hopefully, if you didn't get an update, it will update for you soon. Any more questions? Any more comments? Did any of you schedule any appointments to the different taxpayer centers? Did anybody else visit it? I've been getting some people saying the line's out the door, that it's booked. Don't forget, you guys, I'm sharing this on my channel while I'll be waiting for comments, that I have a podcast. It's below on my YouTube channel, and it's also on different podcasting apps as well. 22 podcast apps. You want to learn more about me, all you have to do is Google Dr. Linda Likely. You should see my social media sites. You should see my accomplishments and other information, especially about on LinkedIn. You should see more information about me. Also, my books as well, because I have a book. I have Academy, Shining Lights Academy. I have this podcast. I do a lot. Okay, let's see. Hi, Melissa. If it has been more than 10 weeks that I was told to wait, how can I follow up on it? Go back and try to contact the IRS, Melissa. Try to contact the IRS or get in touch with somebody from the IRS. But if you cannot contact anybody from the IRS, reach out to the taxpayer advocate. I would do. If the taxpayer advocate, you can't get anything done with that, or let's see. Yeah, that's what I just said, the taxpayer advocate. Yes, contact. If you can't contact the IRS, contact the taxpayer advocate. If the taxpayer advocate does not help you, I would recommend, and it's your choice, whatever you want to do, Melissa. I would go and try to then contact my congressman to talk to my taxpayer advocate on my behalf. Okay. Right. Right, Dallas. I just shared that with her. I was trying to get her the steps of what she could do. Right. That congressman, you're welcome. And I know Dallas is probably, you're welcome as well. Oh, and sharing, he probably comment right back with you. You're welcome sharing that, because that's what he did to get that moving quickly. Right. It's somebody else, Terry said that, and that's why I mentioned to Melissa, if she contacts the taxpayer advocate and they don't do anything and they tell them that, then I would reach out to my congressman. That's what I would do. Just to see. It don't hurt to see. You're welcome. I can't wait to yours update, Dallas, because I know you've been waiting for a while. I know you can't wait. You need to have you a party. Have you a party. I mean, just enjoy. But hopefully it won't be long, because like I said, when you reach out to that congressman and he's telling you that they escalating it and doing everything, it don't take long. Then they give you all the feedback of what the people said that you weren't able to get a hold to on your own, and you like, wow, I wish I could have did it, but anything to get it done, and you find out the information. Right. And in yours now, Melissa, in your situation, yeah, you definitely, yeah, you definitely, yeah, congressman. Um, Also, that situation, what I tell people is like Melissa's, no codes or anything, and not applicable on transcript. Them the ones that can see it in their account. So Melissa, also make sure you check your bank accounts too, because it still can fall in your bank account because you have no hold codes or anything. So sometimes netting updates and it just appears in your account, the WMR 1 bar, and still be in your account. Listen, it happens. Good many people have had that this tax season, and they had it last tax season. Not everybody has this, but some people do. Anybody else with any comments and questions? You're welcome, Terry. Hopefully soon, and you can have your party too, Melissa. I told you, some young lady, I'm telling you, she was like, Miss Likely, she contacted me. She said she didn't have anything on her card. And she said she was just on a hope and a prayer that something was on her card. And she said she went in the store, and I can go back and pull up that comment. She went in the store and the card worked. That's how she knows she had money. Because some people, they really just desperate need of the money. And she said she was so grateful that she had her money. She didn't even know. No updates or anything. Money was on the card. And she was so grateful. I remember that the comment is still under one of my live videos. Right. Contact them, Elizabeth. Reach out. Don't hurt. Don't hurt. Even if I have colds, I still reach out. I have colds or anything, I'm still reaching out. Y'all gotta tell me something. Hi. It's been a while. Miss Linda, I still haven't had any update on my return. I filed January 29th, accepted January 31st. As of day, no codes and transcript. Right, and that's why I said I would contact the taxpayer advocate, and I also, if the taxpayer advocate don't help you, I would definitely go to my state senator and Congress. I remember you was talking about the IRS told you to be patient, and you said your Jamaican queen. I remember you from that video came out of you. Oh, well, again, try contacting the taxpayer advocate. Then if the taxpayer advocate nothing, then also congressman. But you don't have to do it. It's just advice, but you could see it in your account as well because you don't have any change, no codes or anything. So those people that have that like that, you still got to watch your bank account because it could just come in there even though you have no updates. Elizabeth, what you laughing at, Elizabeth? Oh. Let's see. Okay, y'all had conversations down there. Okay. Let y'all conversate. Okay, any more questions in? Any more comments or hashtag refund? But yeah, I remember, I think his name is Tunde, or I don't know. I hope that's the way that he pronounces it because I don't want to mess it up. But he said he hoped his Jamaican queen like to came out of him because they was telling him to be patient. And I know we don't want to hear that word patient, but you have to. Sometimes. You have to sometimes. Any more questions, comments for anybody else? You can also reply to other people, you guys, as well if you need help. I don't mind that. I don't mind it under the videos when people be doing it. It's only if there are people trying to get you to do things that I know is not right, I move them and I hide them from the channel. Or if you being rude to other people or you being rude to me, and then sometimes YouTube will remove you because you got to go by community guidelines. Listen, you guys, I know none of you in the chat are being disrespectful. None of you are saying nothing wrong. You're just asking about your tax refund, but it's some people that get on the channel and they be rude and they say all kind of stuff. Don't get your channel shut down by just being rude and messy because you got to go by community guidelines on YouTube. If you don't, they automatically remove you, and I can see it on YouTube, and I can see the ones that are hitting from me on the ones that are blocked. YouTube will block them. So sometimes you'll be blocked. If you're blocked, you're being blocked by YouTube because you're using bad language and you're saying all kind of ugly stuff. They'll remove you automatically. And then sometimes if you say things that are not appropriate, I will block you from my channel. Okay? But if you're just asking questions about your refund and everything else, then I will. Or else you're trying to scam people. Because some people be trying to scam people under the videos and try to get them to do things under there and go different places. You're welcome, Elizabeth. You are so welcome. And all of you. And I hope that all of you get your refund soon. I don't know, you guys, if I will be live tomorrow, but if I do get a lot of comments and questions regarding it, like I did today and yesterday, you might see me live. And most time I go live at 10:30 or 11, and you can just look for a video of the event before I go live, and make sure you have your notifications on, okay? If you have any questions and comments and you feel like I don't want to come in the live chat again, all you have to do is put it under the live video, because I understand that some people are shy. And they don't want everybody to know what they're discussing, so they just comment on my other videos, okay? And that's perfectly fine, okay? Well, is there anything else, you guys? I hope that everything updates for you soon, and hopefully I'll see you again. I know next Wednesday and next Tuesday on... Next Wednesday, I always do it on April the 3rd. I know I'll be on here on my channel, but I will be on this channel on Tuesdays with the review letters, going over the review letters. Somebody is asking me, and by the way, before I go off, if you have any videos that you want me to do, let me know in the comments as well. If you have any suggestions, because somebody was saying, I need you to do more videos on amended returns. I need more videos on building wealth. I need more videos on starting a business. I have had people let me know what they want to see more of. And I know y'all want to see more of the live updates, because y'all want to go, see what's going on with the refund updates and with other taxpayers as well. But if you have any more videos that you would like to see on this channel, feel free to comment as well and let me know, okay? You guys, all right, y'all have a great Good Friday, a blessed one, and also happy Easter as well, okay? Be blessed.